Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. Before we start, if you want to check the serial number on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Junior application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GARMIN Junior application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, select the profile with which your watch is connected to. And after you select the profile, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down and select the device details option. As you can see right here, we have a serial number of our device. And once you're done checking, you can close the application. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.